Assalamu alaikum class 3. I hope you will be fine. It's our math subject and we are doing review and assess 2 unit 9, and today we will solve exercise number 9. Okay. Exercises: draw a figure using square, rectangle and circle. Count the number of vertices, line segments and curved lines. Okay students. This is rectangle, square and circle. So look at this. These red dots, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They have 8 vertices. Okay students, 12 edges and 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the back side 6. Okay students, come on this. This is square. And the square having same 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. And this is circle. Circle having only one face, no vertices and no edges. Okay students, now move on next exercise number 10. Solve the following real life problems. So Raheel traveled by bus and train. The total distance is 3,654 kilometers. Now they told us that by bus he traveled 2,365 kilometers. So how much he traveled by train? So we will subtract travel by bus from the total distance, from the total traveling. 4 minus 5, not possible. We will take carry 1 from 5. So this will be 14. 14 minus 5, this is 9. And this become 4. Now we take carry 1 from 6. So this become 14. 14 minus 6, this is 8. And now we have only 5. 5 minus 3, 2. And 3 minus 2, 1. So by train he traveled 1,289 kilometers. Move on next. Mr. Hassan opened an account. Okay, Mr. Hassan, he opened account and the amount is 45,687. Then after some time he deposited in first month 5,800 rupees. Then he withdrew 6,981. So we will find out how much money is there in his account. Firstly, we will find out the total amount this deposited. Means when he opened their account, so he have 45,687 he has. Okay. Then in first month he deposit 5,800. So we will add these two values and the amount is 51,487. Then he withdrew some amount from bank, 6,981. 7 minus 1, 6. 8 minus 8, 0. 4 minus 9, not possible. We will take carry 1 from 1. So this become 14. 14, 9. Minus 9, so this will be 5. And this is 0. We will take carry 1 from 5. So this become 10 minus 6, 4. And this is 4. It's mean now they have 44,506 rupees in their account. Number 3, a non-stop traveling 105, a train, this is traveled 105 kilometer and in 1 hour. In 1 hour he traveled 105 kilometer. It reached the last station in 9 hours. Okay, the last station he reached after 9 hours. So we will find out the total distance, total traveling. So we will find out, we will multiply 105 with 9 because in 1 hour he traveled 105 kilometers. So in 9 hours he will travel 945 kilometers. And the question, when does it reach the last station? And we will find out that when this person reach on the last station. So we know that this person start traveling at 7 a.m. morning, 7 o'clock. Now students find out. Count 10 after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 9 hours, the last station time will be 4 p.m. Move on, question number 4. The rectangle of a park is 20 meter length It's mean the length of rectangle is 20 meter and width of rectangle is 16 meter. So they said that what is the parameter? So we will find out the parameter and we will find out the distance, that how boy covered. Parameter of rectangle 2 multiply length plus width. So length is 20, width is 16. We will add this, become 36, then multiply 2, this will 72 meters. Boy covered distance when he walked thrice. In the question they told us that 3 times. Thrice mean 3 times. 3 दफा उसने एक पार के गिर चक्कर लगाया. So we will multiply 72 with 3. So this is 216 meter. Okay, number 5. Number of boys 3. Number of girls 5. Each boy contribute 15 rupees. So we will find out total contribution of boys. So we will multiply 15 rupees of each boy with 3 boys. 15 multiply 3, this will be 45. 5 girls contribution. Each girl contribute 9 rupees. So 9 multiply 5, this will be 45. So we will find out the total contribution of boys and girls. So this will be 45 plus 45, 90 rupees. Number 6. During a flood relief campaign, 7 bags each containing 85 kg rice and 3 bags containing 45 kg dal. Okay. Rice bags are 7, dal bags are 3. 7 bags containing rice, 85 kg per bag. So we will find out the total kgs in 7 bags. 85 multiply 7, this will be 595 kg. Now 3 bags of dal and each bag contain 45 kg dal. So we will multiply 45 with 3, this will be 135. Now we will find out the total weight. 85 plus 45. Students, here you will write down 595 plus 135. 35. 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1. 9 plus 1, 10, plus 3, 13. 3 here and 1 will be carry. 5, 6 and 7. 730 kg total weight of in these bags. Number 7. 3 trucks containing an equal number of cartons. They transport for soft drink making 345 cartons. Okay students, number of trucks are 3 and the cartons in each truck 345. Total number of cartons are 345. So we will find out that how much cartons carry each truck. 345 divided by 3, this will be 115 cartons in each truck. Now they said that in each carton there are 6 bottles. Each truck carrying 115 cartons and in each carton there are 6 bottles. So we will find out number of bottles transported all. Firstly we will multiply 345 with 6 because the total number of cartons are 345. Multiply 6, this will be 2070 bottles. And if you want to find out the answer that how many bottles each truck contains, so you will divide on 3. So your answer will be 690 bottles. Number 8. 1/5 of the flower in a garden were red. Okay students, there is a garden and the number of flowers are 1/5, pink flowers 2/5. So firstly we will find out total flowers. 1/5 plus 2/5. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 divided by 5. Now we will find out ratio of blue flowers. So we consider that there are total ratios 1. So we will subtract 1 minus 3 divided by 5. 5 multiply 1. We will take LCM. This will be 1. So we will this will be 5. We will multiply 5 with 1. So this will be 5 minus 3, 2. It means the ratio of blue flowers 2/5. Number 9. A bottle of ink contain 56 milliliter. A bottle contains 56 milliliter ink and Sanya filled 2 pens. Sanya filled how many pens? 2 pens and each pen capacity 3 milliliters. So we will multiply 3 with 2. This will be 6 millimeter. Now we will find out the remaining ink. 56 minus 6, this will be 50 ml, 50 milliliter. Number 10. A person posted their letter on 26th May and after a week it reached on the given address. So we will find out on which date this letter reached. Students, start counting. 27, 28, 29, 30, 1 and 2. It's mean it's 2nd June. This letter will be reached on 2nd June. Student, do practice of these two exercises and send your practice work picture on our WhatsApp number. Take care. Allah Hafiz.